Hi, my name is Emily and I'm a second year medical student vlogging and documenting the highs and the lows of studying medicine in Birmingham, as well as working full time and trying to maintain a healthy lifestyle after failing at the end of last year. Subscribe below to join me every week on my journey to becoming a doctor. Morning breakfast pancakes as always. I struggled to get a start to today, but it's okay. I'm gonna quickly have a shower, wash my hair, because I could really do with it, and then get dressed. And I'm gonna head to the library with my friend. Gosh, look at this, it's so sore. But yeah, I'm gonna get started and I'm gonna go to the library. I'm gonna try and film a time lapse because I need you to see me studying so I can tell you about what I'm doing today. Something very important is about being comfortable at the library. So I put on these really comfy flares, really calm, like long sleeve top, and headed into campus with my friend Megan, who I was like, do you want to be in the vlog? She was like, yeah. So we decided to film a time lapse in the library. We just started getting on with our work. I managed to complete loads of lectures, but it was really a struggle just getting into it at first, but it's really helpful having someone there. So I think something that I find really helpful is being in the library with friends and getting on with my studying while they're doing studying too, because you stay more motivated. You're like, oh, they're working, I'm going to have to work. If they slow down, I'm going to slow down. But most of the time, you keep each other motivated, and it's just something that you need, I think. So I had a great time, got loads done. We're going back to the library. Just took a quick break to refill the hot water bottle. Yeah, it's my vlog. It's a hi vlog.
Hi vlog.
We're just studying, we're working hard. And these flares, I'm actually in love. Oh, we need to focus though. Look at my new focus.
We're doing quite well.
We're doing quite well, it's been 2 hours. I don't know what to say, I'm leaving at 5:20. It's so dark. But I got all of this week's stuff. Well, I was going to say I got all this week's stuff done. Nah, I haven't. I got a good majority of stuff done, and I reviewed the differences between all the stuff that I've got in person this week, and literally every single slide is the same. I think one worksheet was a little bit different, and I finished that, so working hard. So I know you can't see me that well, but I'm back from the gym and I'm in bed. It's 9 o'clock, and I've had dinner, and I'm tired. Which, considering the amount of caffeine in me, I wouldn't think I'd be out tired, but I really am. I was meant to be working tonight, but I gave my shift away because I need to study. I need to study. My sister's coming to see me tomorrow, so I know I won't get much done tomorrow. So I'm just trying to, you know what I mean, just chill. Okay. Although I may not be diagnosed, this may be what I call my ADHD energy, because it is 3:15. I can't sleep because I went to sleep at 8 p.m. for some bizarre reason. So because I went to sleep so early, I can't sleep now. And I've given up. I've given up trying to sleep. And basically, my sister is coming to see me today, Tuesday, because it is 2:45. Well, 2:42. Oh, 2:43. Anyway, as you can tell, I'm a bit delirious. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna order McDonald's, even though I've not really got the money for it. And I'm gonna move some stuff around because my sister's coming today and we're picking up stuff to decorate my room, get my paint and stuff at 10 a.m. and she doesn't get here till the afternoon, but we're picking up pallets which we have to sand and paint. So I'm gonna start just packing some stuff into my room to make it easier to move. And obviously I'm gonna be quiet because Alan's trying to sleep. So don't worry, I'm chill. So I spent pretty much all of my morning moving everything out of my room. Then I went to home base, picked up a bunch of things, so picture frames, paint, etc. This is my room before, and as you can tell, the walls are a little bit weird, like some grey patches on the white, the skirting boards aren't great, the painting is just really patchy in general, and I just wanted a fresh coat of paint. So I stuck to the same colours because it is a rented house, but I did want to just refresh. No. I edit thoroughly. Oh, that's so nice. Look at that. You know what? I'm literally in the roof, wasn't I? Oh, I got it on my hand. That's fine. That's okay. That's good. This is Is me showing you or trying to show you the difference in the roof. The difference in the roof when I painted it was so much more obvious to some of the walls, and it's just so nice. So once I finished the white paint, yes, I did get a little bit on my window frames, but the windows are awful. I had to move on to grey wall, which had some plastering that needed doing and some things like that, but I'm not a plasterer. I'm really enjoying this now, and I did get paint all over myself. So I painted over, and as soon as I managed to open this grey paint, it had like a little love heart, which I thought was really cute. But most of these audios I had to take out because I had copyright audio on them. The paint looks a bit patchy, but honestly when it dries it didn't look patchy at all. So I got there and I went out and we got food. I haven't picked up the bed base yet, we're doing that tomorrow. Just move these drawers in, my curtains back up. 2 of them are up, the other 2 are marked out. Still need to do the other 4. They're here. This is pile. The bookcases back in the corridor. So I'm going to quickly dust it and put my stuff back on it. It's leaning forwards quite a bit, which I'm not that happy about. There isn't much I can do, to be honest, so it is what it is. The next day, this is the state of my living room at this point, so yeah, I'm saying I'm not a great housemate sometimes, and I do make a mess, but I got ready and went to the gym because, you know, that's the priority, and I managed to squat 60 kilograms for reps, which a couple of weeks ago, this was my personal record for 1 rep. So I had a great time, and I hit 70 today as well, but I don't have a video of that. So, this is actually the perfect angle. So me and Sam, this is my sister. So we just went to pick up the pallets from our bed because we're doing DIY. I haven't actually remembered to vlog this morning other than the gym bit. So we're sat in the car. She's like, oh, it's fine as long as I don't you see out of my back window because I kind of like... We can't see. It's okay. We're fine. So we're going to go back to the pallet guy now and pay him because basically his pallets got taken. So we had to go to a different pallet place to borrow pallets from these people. It's a whole ordeal.
I think he's even the right size.
Yeah, they are. I hope so too. We should have brought a tape measure, but it's fine. I think they definitely will fit. They'll definitely fit. It's just I think there'll be a gap, but we'll see. And I don't mind it having a gap. So yeah, we're gonna go pay the pallet guy. So Sam is now ever so kindly driving us to IKEA to pick up my new desk, my rug, and some other things that I bought that I've forgotten. Because we missed the collection time, so we're hoping we can pick them up, and if not, we're going to have to go in, buy them, and then I'll have to wait for the refund because we missed the collection. Because I'm not put together. But it's fine. And I have pallets left to paint all on my own later. Sadness. Yeah. When we got to IKEA, we did manage to get our collection time, so we picked them up. I got my laptop stand, my iPad stand, my desk, and we headed home where my sister said goodbye before she headed back up to uni. I then got on with finishing painting the palettes. So we did sand them, and then I just painted one end because at this point I was just tired and I only need this one end painted because that's the end you could see. So I did all these and finished off the last palette right before I went to bed. When I went to bed, I realised I, in fact, couldn't sleep. I decided it was time to put my pictures on the walls and put my mirrors on the walls, build my desk and, you know, do everything else. So in that scene, as you could see, I put the right one on. I barely managed to get it on, but as I did, I knocked all the others off and had to start again. But once they were up, I was very happy. And the same with the mirror. I was kind of shocked when I managed to get it up. I built the desk all on my own. I'm very proud. And here is my final room. I can write anything on. Storage boxes, my mirror, my wardrobe, my gym bag currently, my drawers, a little bit of decoration on them, my desk, which is beautiful, and my bed, which is even more gorgeous. I've even got down here is my mood lighting, or like my LEDs and becoming like a basic person. So yeah, isn't that kind of cool? And I'm going to put up my curtain of LEDs here. And that's it. My room is complete. I love my new room. I say new room, it's the same room, but I fixed it. I love it. I slept so well. Now I need to get up and shower before I go to the gym. So I'm back from the gym. I'm wearing this long sleeve black bow and tee top, which I got for Christmas from my sister. She got it on Vinted, I think, which is the best place to buy bow and tee stuff sometimes because, you know, it can be quite expensive. Anyway, and I'm wearing these green balloons that I absolutely love because they're so comfortable, and I am just going to the library. Oh, let's pull this down a little bit, there we go. So yeah, gym was amazing. I had a great time. I'm gonna head to the library now and get studying because I haven't done it for the past 2 days, and I am a medical student, not a decorator. So I headed to the main library. I did end up changing my top because I got very hot before I left the house, so I wore this strappy top and got settled in the library where I got loads of work done. Loads. The fact that you can barely see me says everything. It is 20 past something. Actually, the clock is so right. So it's 20 past 9. It's definitely not. It's like 6 p.m. But I'm getting a drink, heading back to the library to keep studying. Long day, just studying. I'm home from the library. I did like 7 hours and I just made myself a cheese scallion pizza, which I love. And I'm gonna go sit and eat this, scroll through TikTok for a bit, and then just get on with some more studying. Yay. Honestly, my new room, the vibes are immaculate and I actually love it, and studying at my desk is one of my favourite things. Morning vlog. It's Friday. I'm so happy, guys. It's Friday. Oh. It's Friday again. So, I went to the gym. Shocking, I know. And I hit RDLs and leg press and some other leg exercises. So, I managed to do 80 kilograms for quite a few reps, to be honest. I was very happy, but it was a lot heavier than normal, which kind of does always upset me, but it's the gym. I've just set up at my desk and I'm about to finish off this thing that I started yesterday, which is the Anatomy Practical 4 for reproductive medicine. Hey, look, it's me in the mirror. That's weird, I don't like that. Basically, I've got family friends coming down to see me, and I'm going to meet them when they get here, which is probably around about 3ish, just after probably. So I'm going to study until then. I did go to the gym this morning and I had a great time. I always have a great time at the gym, let's be honest. But yeah, this setup that I've got going on is actually way better for my back. Everything is like up in the air and I have like a keyboard and mouse and I'm really enjoying it. And then this is what I've got left to do. So at the minute I'm doing red APO4. I'm going to probably do this sort of stuff around it. And then these, because this is quite hard, so I might leave that for next week when I have more time. And these two, I'm waiting for them to happen in person rather than doing the last year's content because it's changed quite a bit. But I also don't think this is as relevant, because it hardly ever comes up, if ever. I've also got water, sour fruits and orange squash because it's me, I need options. Then I got ready and headed into the city centre to meet Karen and Paul. So this is Karen and her husband Paul is over there. They are close family friends. We've been friends with them for a while. They're like my adopted aunt and uncle basically, and we had dinner. So I am at work, guys. I'm incredibly tired. To say that I fell asleep at like 7:30 last night and I woke up at 6:30 this morning. That's like 11 hours of sleep. So maybe that's why I'm so tired, like I overslept. So I'm about to start walking around, doing a little pick, and then I'm going to finish editing my video when I get back. And I got my video up on time. Okay, so I just got back from work and I'm going to get changed for powerlifting and then head to Sainsbury's to do a food shop for the week because kind of need food, guys. And I kind of forget about it every week. So I'm going to quickly get changed and do that. I actually found my Nectar card, so I'm going to take the printed version because I hate logging into the app every time. What else was I going to do? Oh, I'm going to put my washing on really quick before I go, but I think my biggest problem is I put the washing on and it kind of stays there because I won't have time to hang it up to dry till tomorrow. So I might not. I might leave it and do it on Sunday afternoon. I think that's more of a plan. But now I'm probably going to spend the next 10 minutes trying to figure out what to wear to the gym. Because I don't have too many gym clothes. I don't have enough gym clothes. I was going to say I have too many, I do not. Go to the gym. I'm going to go food shopping first, so then to powerlifting. So, I'm back from work. I just had a shower because I moved a bunch of mattresses up back and I really needed a shower. I'm going to get ready for the gym. So I didn't wash my hair because I'm probably going to end up coming back and showering again after the gym. So I'll wash my hair then rather than before the gym. We have a new friend. Not really a fan of that. But yes, I'm gonna get ready for the gym, and then I'm gonna go to the gym for a workout, and yeah, it's basically the sum total of my plans for today. Maybe I'll do some uni stuff if I get bored. We'll see. I then headed to the gym where unfortunately I only took vertical videos, but I did fail pretty much all of my deadlifts today. So I failed 90, failed 85, failed 80, and then I just gave up because I did do the warm-up ones before that, but 80 I should have been able to get. I think I was just tired at this point, especially because my friend from powerlifting came over and just casually did 80 kilograms sumo when he doesn't do sumo normally, and I was kind of annoyed at that. But it's okay because we love guys really, even though they're way, way, way stronger. They're just very supportive as well, so it's nice to have friends to go to the gym with. But thanks for watching the vlog. If you've enjoyed, please like, comment, subscribe, and come back next week to see what I do when I'm getting back into uni. Thank you.
Living life every day.